Hi everyone, and welcome back to Homehead Chef. I'm Chef Tony, and today we're going to be making zucchini rollatini. This is a great summertime dish. You could really eat it any time of the year, but I really enjoy it during the summer because we have those fresh zucchinis that you can get from the garden or the local farmer market. It's loaded with a bunch of rich, robust flavors. We've got the creaminess of the cheese. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 to 3 zucchini sliced lengthwise, about 1/8 of an inch thick. You can use a mandolin, or if you got great knife skills, you can use that as well. We're also going to need 1.5 cups of marinara, 2/3 of a cup of ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2/3 of a cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of basil, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 cloves of fresh garlic minced, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I have a recipe for homemade ricotta cheese and marinara if you want to check that out, and I'll have a link for it down in the description. First thing we're going to do is take our zucchini. We want to get some of that excess moisture that's in there out. We're going to lay it down on a paper towel. We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt, and we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes to pull out that excess moisture. Now, before we get started on the ricotta mixture, we're going to want to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Now for this, all we're going to do is add in our garlic, 1/4 cup of our Parmesan cheese, our basil and oregano, and some salt and pepper. We're going to stir this up. Now we're going to pat the excess moisture off of our zucchini and the salt, get those nice and dry. Now we're going to place these into our oven for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is going to soften the zucchini so that way we can roll it up nice and tight. We have our ricotta mixture, we have our slightly steamed zucchini, we have our vessel that we're going to bake this in. We're going to throw down some of our marinara, spread it out, and we're going to start stuffing our zucchini. Take a helping of our ricotta mixture, spread it evenly out across our zucchini, like so. A little bit more. Just like that. We're going to roll it up nice and tight. Just like that. And we're going to place them in our baking dish. Crease side down, just like this. I'm going to bust out the rest of these and then I'll come back to you. Now we're going to spoon over just a little bit more of our marinara across the top of our zucchini, just like so. Now we want to make sure our oven is preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to leave the same temp that we had it at when we were steaming our zucchini. Now we're going to top it with our shredded mozzarella cheese. A little bit more, can't go wrong with extra cheese. And then the remaining of our Parmesan cheese sprinkled on top. We're going to go into the oven uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is nice, brown, and bubbly. Look how beautiful that looks. This is going to be fantastic. You can serve it just like this, but me being me, I want to plate it and I want to show you how to do that. Now I'm going to keep the plating very simple. We're going to take some of our marinara, go down on our plate, inside of our spoon, swipe like that, a nice little design. Grab a few of these rollatinis out of here. Make sure you have the cheese as well. We're just going to lay them kind of offset of our sauce right there. Let's say 2 more. We'll go 1 more. Nice little appetizer side. Now this makes a great appetizer or a vegetarian friendly meal. I could eat this just by itself. Hit it with a little bit of freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. There you go, let's get a taste. Let's dig in. The zucchini is perfectly cooked, cut perfectly with a fork. Get some of that extra sauce. That is perfect. I absolutely love this dish. You get the nice earthiness of the zucchini, you get the creamy elements from the ricotta cheese, the Parmesan, The mozzarella just pairs so well. You get the richness of the marinara in there. This is a fantastic side dish, or you can even serve this as a dinner. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to head on over and check out my other channel. It's an outdoor channel, hunting, fishing, and stuff like that, called Tagged Out. I'll have a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.